In the vast expanse of our digital age, data travels at lightning speed, traversing continents and oceans in the blink of an eye. This remarkable feat is made possible by a complex network of interconnected servers that form the backbone of the internet. While most of us are familiar with traditional land-based servers, there exists a fascinating alternative that quite literally reaches for the stars' satellite servers. Imagine a server, not housed in a sterile data center, but orbiting our planet hundreds of miles above the Earth's surface. This is the essence of a satellite server. These technological marvels receive and transmit data via powerful radio waves, connecting even the most remote corners of the globe. Satellite servers play a crucial role in providing internet connectivity to areas where terrestrial infrastructure is limited or non-existent. For instance, consider a research team stationed in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, or a remote village nestled high in the Himalayas. Traditional internet service providers might find it impossible to lay cables and build infrastructure in such challenging environments. This is where satellite servers step in, beaming down connectivity from the sky and bridging the digital divide. However, like any technology, satellite servers come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages, which we will explore in detail in the following sections. While satellite servers reside in the vastness of space, another type of server operates a bit closer to home, albeit still somewhat intangible: the cloud server. Don't be misled by the name. There are no fluffy white clouds involved here. The cloud is simply a metaphor for a vast network of interconnected data centers located around the world. Cloud servers are essentially virtualized computing resources offered by third-party providers. These providers, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, own and maintain massive data centers equipped with powerful servers, storage devices, and networking equipment. Instead of owning and managing your own physical servers, you can rent a slice of this computing power from a cloud provider. This slice is your cloud server, a virtual machine that operates just like a physical server, but exists only in the digital realm. The beauty of cloud servers lies in their flexibility and scalability. Need more processing power or storage space? No problem. Simply adjust your cloud subscription plan with a few clicks. This on-demand nature of cloud computing has revolutionized the way businesses operate, providing them with unprecedented agility and cost-effectiveness. But just like satellite servers, cloud servers come with their own set of considerations. We'll delve into those in the upcoming sections. Now that we have a basic understanding of both satellite and cloud servers, let's compare and contrast these two distinct approaches to data storage and processing. Each has its own unique set of characteristics and benefits.
Location, location, location. The most obvious difference lies in their physical location. Satellite servers, as their name suggests, are literally launched into orbit, circling our planet high above. They operate from space, providing a unique vantage point. Cloud servers, on the other hand, reside in data centers scattered across the globe, strategically positioned for optimal performance and redundancy. These data centers are equipped with advanced redundancy and backup systems to ensure continuous operation and data safety.
Connectivity. Satellite servers rely on radio waves to send and receive data, making them ideal for remote areas with limited terrestrial infrastructure. This makes satellite servers particularly useful in rural or isolated regions where traditional internet infrastructure is lacking or non-existent. Cloud servers, however, depend on robust internet connections to function effectively. They require a stable and high-speed internet connection to deliver optimal performance.
Latency. This refers to the delay between a request for data and the actual delivery of that data. It's a critical factor in the performance of any server. Satellite communication inherently involves longer distances, resulting in higher latency compared to cloud servers. This is due to the time it takes for signals to travel to and from space. This can be a concern for applications that require real-time data processing, such as online gaming or video conferencing, where even slight delays can impact user experience.
Cost. Traditionally, setting up and maintaining satellite servers has been a costly endeavor, requiring significant investment in launching and managing satellites. The costs include not only the launch but also the ongoing maintenance and operation of the satellite infrastructure. Cloud servers, with their pay-as-you-go model, offer greater affordability and flexibility, particularly for smaller businesses or projects with fluctuating resource requirements. This model allows businesses to scale their resources up or down based on demand, making it a cost-effective solution.
Security. Both satellite and cloud servers present unique security challenges. Each requires robust measures to protect data integrity and privacy. Satellite communication can be vulnerable to signal jamming or interception, posing risks to data security, while cloud servers rely heavily on the security measures implemented by the cloud provider, which can vary in effectiveness.
In the next two sections, we'll delve deeper into the specific advantages and disadvantages of each server type. Stay tuned as we explore these aspects in greater detail, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and circumstances. Section 4. The ups and downs of orbit. Advantages and disadvantages of satellite servers. Satellite servers, despite their seemingly futuristic nature, come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. They are a marvel of modern technology, offering unique solutions that traditional methods cannot match. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial when considering satellite-based solutions for your connectivity needs. It's important to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks to make an informed decision.
First up, we have the advantage of global coverage. This is perhaps the most significant advantage of satellite servers. They can beam down internet connectivity to even the most remote corners of the globe, regardless of terrain or existing infrastructure. This capability is unmatched by any other technology. They can beam down internet connectivity to even the most remote corners of the globe, regardless of terrain or existing infrastructure. This makes them ideal for disaster relief efforts, maritime communication, and connecting isolated communities. This makes them ideal for disaster relief efforts, maritime communication, and connecting isolated communities. In times of crisis, satellite servers can be a lifeline, providing essential communication links when other systems fail. Another advantage is their independence from physical infrastructure. Unlike traditional internet service providers that rely on physical cables and infrastructure, satellite servers operate independently. This means they can function in areas where laying cables is impractical or impossible. This makes them incredibly resilient to natural disasters or other events that might disrupt ground-based networks. Whether it's an earthquake, flood, or hurricane, satellite servers can continue to provide connectivity when it's needed most. Lastly, we have their capability for one-to-many communication. Satellite servers excel at one-to-many communication, making them suitable for broadcasting applications like television and radio. This ability to broadcast to a wide audience simultaneously is a significant advantage for media companies and broadcasters.
Of course, there are some downsides to consider. No technology is without its flaws, and satellite servers are no exception. One major drawback is latency. The vast distances involved in satellite communication introduce noticeable delays in data transmission. This latency can be detrimental to applications requiring real-time interaction, such as online gaming or video conferencing. The delay can be frustrating and impact the user experience significantly.
Another issue is weather dependency. Weather conditions like heavy rain, snow, or cloud cover can disrupt satellite signals, leading to intermittent connectivity issues. This can be particularly problematic in regions with frequent adverse weather conditions. And finally, there's the matter of cost. Launching and maintaining satellites is an expensive undertaking. The costs involved in building, launching, and maintaining these satellites are substantial. This high cost is often reflected in the pricing of satellite internet services, making them less affordable compared to traditional or cloud-based solutions. For many users, the expense can be a significant barrier to adoption.
Section 5. Cloudy with a chance of benefits, advantages and disadvantages of cloud servers. Cloud servers have taken the computing world by storm, offering businesses and individuals alike a flexible, scalable, and cost-effective alternative to traditional on-premises infrastructure. This shift has revolutionized the way we think about data storage and computing power, making it more accessible and efficient for everyone. However, like any technology, cloud servers come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. It's important to weigh these factors carefully to determine if cloud computing is the right choice for your needs.
Let's start with the advantages. Scalability is arguably the most compelling advantage of cloud servers. This means that businesses can easily adjust their computing resources to match their current needs without overcommitting or underutilizing their infrastructure. Need more computing power or storage space? No problem. The cloud allows you to scale up or down effortlessly. Simply adjust your cloud subscription plan with a few clicks. This flexibility is invaluable for businesses that experience fluctuating demands. This on-demand nature of cloud computing allows businesses to scale their resources up or down as needed, paying only for what they use. Next, we have cost savings. Cloud computing eliminates the need for businesses to invest in expensive hardware, software, and IT staff to manage their own data centers. This can be a game changer for startups and small businesses with limited budgets. This significantly reduces upfront costs and shifts capital expenditure to a more manageable operational expense. Instead of spending large sums on physical infrastructure, businesses can allocate their funds more strategically. Another big plus is accessibility. Cloud-based services can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling remote work and seamless collaboration among teams scattered across the globe. This has become especially important in today's increasingly remote and globalized work environment.
Now, let's talk about some of the downsides. While the benefits are significant, there are also challenges that need to be considered. One of the main concerns is internet dependency. Cloud servers rely heavily on a stable and robust internet connection. Without a reliable internet connection, accessing your data and applications can become a major issue. Any disruption in connectivity can severely impact access to cloud-based applications and data. This can lead to downtime and lost productivity, which can be costly for businesses.
Another issue is security. Entrusting your data to a third-party provider always comes with inherent security risks. It's crucial to ensure that your cloud provider has robust security measures in place to protect your data. While reputable cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, data breaches and cyber attacks remain a concern. Businesses must stay vigilant and implement additional security protocols to safeguard their information. And lastly, there's the issue of vendor lock-in. Migrating data and applications between different cloud providers can be a complex and costly process. This can limit a business's flexibility and make it difficult to switch providers if needed. This can lead to vendor lock-in, where businesses become reliant on a particular cloud provider, limiting their flexibility and potentially exposing them to price hikes or changes in service offerings. It's important to carefully consider these factors when choosing a cloud provider to ensure it aligns with your long-term goals and needs.